the last 2 weeks we've been working on danger tree removal, which has been any trees that are diseased or dead already. Just a simple windstorm could knock them down. Some of those were getting old enough to where they could have just fallen down with gravity. Our part was doing traffic control for the Parks Department. State Parks Department was nice enough to come and help us for the past 2 weeks. Knocking down some of the bigger, more dangerous trees right next to the road. A lot of times what we try to do is we either try to come in earlier, maybe start our day at 4 a.m. to beat the heat. Another thing we do is we keep vehicles running, to keep the air conditioning running, to take breaks in a nice cool place, get cooled off a little bit, and make sure we're drinking our water on a regular basis. We get these temperatures like this that reach 190 degrees. We take breaks once an hour for 15 minutes. Oh, we could easily go through a gallon of water in a day, 10-hour shift. There's one day we were working on guardrail. It was a good 10-hour shift and the temperatures reached up around 90 degrees or just a little above that. And I stood up, got dizzy really quick, heart started racing, and one of my partners next to me noticed and told me, "You need to take a break now." So and then I went in, pick up, cooled off in the air conditioning, taking sips of water, and they come check on me about every 10 minutes. And it took me probably a good 30 minutes to get kind of calmed down to be able to even stand back up again. You're not always going to manage yourself, but we got good friends and partners around us that help keep an eye on each other. And like my friend did, he noticed it and had me sitting down.